Ooh, I think I am vlogging. Oh my god, I'm Suneha Sharma. Oh, this just coming.
Where's your applesauce?
You want some?
Nice brush.
Applesauce is pretty good.
Did you give me anything?
Applesauce? The f***?
I think I need chips.
I don't got money like that. I had $30. What's up, guys? What's up, b****? This is Suneha Sharma. You go like this. Oh, hey guys. I just got these new glasses, editing on YouTube, and like it just helps me like concentrate, you know, it hydrates my eyes. That's you, dumb.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, welcome, and for those of you guys who haven't hit the subscribe button down below, be sure to subscribe. You guys, I really just don't know how to do an intro, or like I feel like my intro is so freaking lame, and I don't know, I haven't really thought about my baby hair. Not thought about my baby hair, but I feel like I haven't really put thought and effort on how I really want to introduce you guys. You know, like how some people have like names for their... Yeah, let's just get on to this makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next slide. Currently it is like 6 o'clock in the morning, but yeah, I just literally needed to get ready for my day. So first I'm going to start off with some lip balm. This one has been my favorite. I use it all the time. And then I'm gonna go in with some sunscreen, and this is the SkinCeuticals Physical Fusion UV Defense Sunscreen, and this is an SPF 50.
2 hours later.
I am the one to never wear sunscreen, but this one's like really good, and it has like a tint. Let me show you guys. It's kind of like watery, so it's like thin. I don't know if you guys could see. There you go. It's like really watery, but it has a tint in it, so you could even wear it without makeup. I kind of just pat it on. But yeah, if you guys don't know, I like literally suffer from acne, which I will get into. Now I'm just taking my Sacha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm just going to be priming my face. So after that, I am going to be taking my Fenty foundation. You guys, I haven't changed my routine that much. I've been like trying to have a habit of finishing my makeup before I buy a new one. My Tatcha primer, I've been like waiting for that to go away so I could start using new primers and like try out new things. I don't know, I just feel like having multiple things, I start feeling like a hoarder, like for some reason. So I just like to keep things minimalistic, and also I feel like I'm budgeting good that way as well. That way I'm not buying so many things at once. Do you guys see Ivory in the back? Okay, so next I'm gonna be taking my concealer, and this is the Fenty concealer as well. I don't really like this concealer, but I'm just using it for the heck of it because I just need to get rid of it. I think I like my NARS better, but NARS tends to be like a little bit more pricier, but it's okay. I'm just trying to, I don't know, have like good habits. I really wanted to get into the topic of why I am not consistent on YouTube, because I feel like I get that question all the freaking time. It's like one of those things where it's kind of controversial in a way. I don't know, some people may agree with me, some people may not. I figured that it's 2020, the year of growth and the year of just not giving a f about anyone. Literally, I don't know, I feel like ever since 2020 hit, I'm just gonna be doing me, like f it. The reason why I take breaks on YouTube is because honestly sometimes I just don't want to be filming, and I don't know, I just feel like I don't look my best sometimes, and I have my own insecurities and my own flaws. For instance, like during my period, I literally have like the worst breakouts ever, and I don't know, sometimes I just don't feel like filming. I do get depressed about my skin, and I do get anxiety about my skin because, you know, not everyone's perfect, and sometimes like I'll break out in hives, or sometimes they ate something, and like my skin will react. And so I do have sensitive skin, and or sometimes I could be in a bad mood. But this year I'm just really not trying to think of all those things and accept who I am as a person, and just proceeding forward through what I want to do. It's just because like it's so easy to go on Instagram and just put on a filter and like you look the best, you know what I mean? But when it comes to like YouTube, I like things to be raw, and it's just one of those things where I can't put on a filter sometimes, and I'm just like, oh my god, my skin is so bad. Or I wake up with puffy eyes or puffy face, but at the end of the day, in reality, that's just who I am. And that's like one of the reasons why I take a lot of breaks. But can you guys see I already got a haircut? This year round, I'm really not trying to focus on that. I'm just really trying to focus on myself. By the way, I'm taking Hoola and putting that on my crease. Being consistent on YouTube is really nice, but at the end of it, I never really cared about the money and stuff like that, because then I would have been super consistent on YouTube and like literally trying my hardest. But I honestly do this for fun, and more so of like creating memories in a way, just because I like looking back and, you know, seeing my progression and just like capturing memories for myself, you know what I mean? So that's about it. I'm taking the KKW palette. I'm gonna take this red color right over here. Can you guys see? Yeah. I don't even know if I pointed at the right one, but it's like this red color. I'm just gonna put it on my crease. I'm just doing like a simple glam, you guys. Nothing really big. A lot of things have actually changed. I feel like the last time I filmed was in October. As you guys know, like the holiday times is not the best with my family now, and I did want to push out more videos, but I just wasn't emotionally motivated to do that this year. But I'm back. I feel like I say that all the time, that I'm back, and then I disappear. You guys know the real reason of why I keep disappearing, and it's just one of my insecurity issues that I have, and I thought I would address it. It's nothing really big, it's just something of my own. Props to people who actually do come on camera like with emotional distress and like they feel insecure about whatever is going on with their face. Like honestly, props to you guys, because being on camera and talking seems easy, but it's actually hard, because you never know who's watching you. And be prepared for judgment, be prepared for people talking about you. Either these people will rock with you, or either these people will drag you. So it's 50-50, one or the other. It's one of those things where, yeah, like people are gonna talk about you because you're putting your life out there. By the way, I'm using this Hourglass mascara. Bomb. It is so good. I have just recently changed my makeup looks. I've been really into like soft glam. I don't even know when was the last time I actually wore lashes. I'm gonna be taking my Hoola bronzer. I'm just gonna be bronzing my face with this. Taking Luxe by KKW. Honestly, this is like my favorite freaking blush ever. It's so good on tan skin. Oh, I miss my tan. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take Sacha Buttercup. You guys, my next investment for under eye setting powder will be the Huda Beauty one, but I'm just trying to have like good habit and just waiting for my products to finish. But this is like one of the best powders ever. It literally lasts me so long. Kind of use this to dust it off. And for highlighter, I'm using the Ofra highlighter in Blissful. You guys, this highlighter is so bomb. Let me show you guys. Look how pretty. I cannot get over that. But it looks even better on skin. I wouldn't wear this. I would probably wear this for a party, but whoa, you see that? Like, what the fuck is that? Diamonds. That is hella shimmery, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be removing my lip gloss now. I wear a lot of liquid lip, I noticed. I like to hydrate my lips before. You guys, I discovered this Patrick Ta a lip liner. It's so good. It's in the color She's Bold. And for my lips, I'm gonna be taking Kat Von D Bow and Arrow liquid lipstick. You guys, does it smell? I don't know, it doesn't have a scent, but it's like so good. This is like my OG liquid lipstick. And then just to like finish off the look, I'm going to be taking my KKW Beauty lipstick in number 1 and putting that in the center. Just to set my face, I'm going to be using MAC Fix Plus. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so good. I like don't wear MAC at all, other than like maybe their lipsticks and like eyeliner, but you guys, MAC Fix Plus, ever since I started using this product, I feel like I came out of a rock, because I have never realized how good MAC Fix Plus is. Like I don't know how people react to MAC products, but this product, you guys, is so good. I'm just gonna spray on my face. This is in the Rose. Oh my god, and it's like so refreshing as well. It just feels so good, and it gives like your face a dewy look, and it like just sets everything. But you guys, bomb. I hope you guys have a good rest of 2020. I think by the time I upload this video, it's gonna be like mid-January. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far. I wish I got like a facelift. You guys, this makes a huge difference. Like if you go like this and kind of just like lift up your skin, like that makes a huge difference, like getting a facelift. And on the other note, can we just give a huge shout out to my ortho, because dude, my Invisalign has been working. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.